Everybody has a story, but not everyone gets to tell it. Your story could heal someone. Your story could give another person strength. Your voice could change the world. Welcome to The Voice of My People Global, the platform where your story matters. Whether it's victory, survival, faith, or love, the world needs to hear you. Don't stay silent. Speak, heal, and inspire. Because in just a few minutes, your voice can restore hope, spark change, and even heal hearts, including your own. So stand tall, speak up, and let your story echo across the nations with the Voice of My People Global. You can call or WhatsApp at 0810 460 4455 or at 0812 444 4957 and let the world hear your truth, your journey, and your victory.